In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your PayPal account step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to delete a PayPal account permanently, first open your web browser and go to paypal.com. Then log into your PayPal account. Once you logged in, go to the PayPal homepage and tap on the settings icon at the top of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings page where you can see your email address, phone numbers, and other account details. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page. At the bottom, you'll see the option that says Close your account. Tap on Close your account to continue. After that, PayPal will show a confirmation page explaining that closing your account will permanently remove your account and its transaction history. If you're sure you want to proceed, tap the button to close your account. If you want PayPal to delete your personal data before closing the account, you can select the option to request data deletion and fill out the form. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.